Now I've cut out both the front and the back pieces. You can see it. So for the neckline, I'm using 3.5 inches here. That is the length of the neckline. Then for the depth, I'll use 4 inches for the front, while 2 inches for the back. Okay. You can see that I've curved it out. This for the back, while this is for the front. We have gotten for the front and the back neckline. So I folded my sequence into two. You can see I folded it. It will serve for both front and back pieces. Okay, for the length I'm using 8 inches. Now I'll first of all use the back one because the sequence will be for both front and back because of the neckline. So I will go ahead and trim off the front depth later. Okay, so I will use the back. So this is what I will use and turn the neckline. I'll be using my sequence to turn the neckline. Okay. Okay, so I'll go ahead and trim off this loop here. So I'll go ahead and cut off the neckline. So you can see this is the front neckline. I have to recut it. Okay, by the time I cut it, I will open it up for you to see. Place it on the neckline. This is how it will look. So this is how it will be on the dress. You can see what I will do. I'll face the sequence on the wrong side. I'll face it right side facing each other. I'll face the sequence from the back like this. I'll place the front so that after sewing round, I'll turn it over. It will not stay like this. Then I'll go ahead and use this lace trimmings and top stitch. Just go ahead and top stitch on the sequence like so. After top stitching, so this is how it will look. The next thing I'll do, the same thing I do to the front, I will do to the back, but the lace trimmings will not be at the back. For the back, I'll just have to fold it like so. Just fold it in and top stitch for the back. Okay. So after top stitching, the next thing I'll do, I'll just join it at this shoulder. Remember, we have turned the neckline. The same thing you do to the front, you do it to the back. After turning the neckline, what we'll do on this, then go ahead and attach this. Okay, at the two sides. By the time we join it at the shoulder, it will be wider. I'll join it. The same thing I do to this side, I'll do to the other side. After which I'll face the right side together, then close it up and hem it. The dress is very simple and easy to make. Okay, so I'll go now and do all this thing I say. I'll just turn the neckline, top stitch on this sequence with these lace trimmings. You can see. After which I'll do the same to the back. Then I'll join it at the neckline, fix the lace trimming at the hand side. Remember, we'll fold it in with 1/2 inch. Okay, Just have to fold it in, then top stitch with the lace trimmings. Then face the right side together, close the two sides and hem the down part. So guys, you can see I've attached the leg. So I've turned the neckline. You can see I turned it with the lace fabric and I went ahead to top stitch. This is the back while I top stitch with the lace trimmings at the front. Okay, and see how it looks. And this is the sleeve. For the sleeve, I'll go ahead and fold it in like so. So I'll just go ahead and top stitch at this. If you want, you can fold it in, but the mouth, the fabric is not fragile. You can see it's not removing. So you can go ahead and top stitch on it. Just top stitch like so. Now I will do the same thing to the second one. So I'll go ahead and top stitch on this, after which I will fold it. So after top stitching with that lace trimmings, I'll just go ahead and so guys, you can see I've fixed the lace trimmings at the mount of the two sleeve. Okay, what I'll do then is to join it together. The last thing is to close up the two sides using 1 inch. Okay, we added 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches for the allowance. So I'll go ahead and use 1 inch to close it up. So I have 1.5 inches free from the both sides. So I'll go now and close it up, then hem the down part. Then I'll show you the final picture of how the dress looks. So you can see how it looks. The front and the back view.